Today we're working on a 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and what we are experiencing is some creaking, crunching, kind of clunking noises from the front of the vehicle. A lot when you're turning, sometimes when you go over bumps and that sort of thing. So I thought I'd give you a little information on how we actually pinpointed what was the actual noise. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician, and my helper today is May Hay. Okay, so basically we were fortunate on this one in that the noise would make it very consistently. And on most of your vehicles, on all your vehicles really, you have a number of joints in the suspension and steering. Kind of like your knees or your hips or your shoulders, where you have a socket and a ball, and that's what allows things to move around. So any one of those joints, ball joints, inner tie rod ends, outer tie rod ends, different links, all those things could make noise. So what we did on this one, and you might be able to do it at home if you're a do-it-yourselfer, is we disconnected the outer tie rod ends so that the steering was separate from the two suspension components, our struts and our ball joints and all that sort of thing. So what we found is if we turned the steering back and forth, it was quiet. So that ruled out our inner and outer tie rod ends and our steering rack. But when we move the suspension independently, we have what are called sway bar links. And the joints in these links are kind of like what I was just talking about, like your shoulder or your knee. And they were creaking. So we replaced these, took care of that. We also found that a ball joint was worn and it was not very safe, so we took care of that and then aligned the suspension, got it all set to go. So I hope this video has been informational to you, and until next time,
safe travels
and blessings to you.